Nicolás.
¿Nicolás qué?
Poncho Cabrera.
And how old are you?
So Nicholas was born on May 16, 2012. He was diagnosed with heterotaxis syndrome just 6 hours after he was born. During his first month of life, he was in the hospital getting one open heart surgery plus another 6 procedures to correct this defects from the syndrome. He had 2 more open heart surgeries, which went well. After the third one, which is called Fontan, he had some complications. He got pneumonia and got diagnosed with plastic bronchitis, which is a very rare disease that it only happens to 5 to 10% of the kids that go through the Fontan procedure. Here at the hospital that we're currently at, there's not much to be done to give him hope. This kind of diagnosis, it's a life-threatening diagnosis. It affects Nico's mortality, but we found hope. We can go to Philadelphia where they do this procedure that can give him a chance, give him a better life.
And I will try to fix you.
So again, the Facebook page is Patrick Nichols Heart, and I hope you can join us in this journey. Thank you.
But if you never try